What's up, guys? In today's video,
we're gonna be playing the Animal Company Backrooms update, and they added Captain Glug with the glowing cheeks.
yep. So we're gonna go see if we can find any. Alright.
Okay. Okay. I guess. So we're not even gonna have anything. So you're telling me like no weapons, no nothing?
Nah, we're good. Plus, I swear I just seen a train. I seen something go through here. Oh wait, we should probably get stacked up on. We should probably
Wait, hold on, real
flashlights and
quick,
stuff.
hold on, real quick. I'm pretty sure they added a new studio. Oh.
Oh, I swear I was just here. I'm pretty sure I checked this out. Parker VR. No, I did not. This is new. Okay. Owie, you hit me. I throw tomato at you. Okay, so I guess we can't. Okay, so this is just a bunch of useless shit. Listen here, you frickin' monkey. Quit it. Juked. Oh! Alright, let's go.
Nah. You're not leaving.
Frick you, I hate you. Alright, bro, come on, we're trying to do this video. Weave. No.
What was that?
Damn it, something got in my way. I need to move.
Excuse me, what? Excuse me, what?
Bro, you're gonna kill me, quit it.
Wait, hold on, they added another new one. I don't know what this is, but they added soccer.
Bro, it's literally just a soccer thing. It's not important. It's not good at all. Flashlight.
Mine.
Bro, just give me the fucking item. Alright. Then we got that. We're gonna get a bag because probably gonna be some stuff there.
Here. That's the new best movement item.
What the hell is this?
Well, it's probably not new, but it's good. It's
This
better
shit is
than
ass.
No, it's better than the fan.
Oh, okay. You have to dive kind of low. Never mind, shit's ass.
No, it's
Actually,
it's
no,
really
okay,
good. No, it's really good if you have a bunch connected.
Yeah, with the goop.
Yeah.
Alright, then we'll get a gun. Buy
But
some
yeah,
ammo.
we don't really need those. No, they need to add an ammo pouch.
And then we'll get a grenade, because, you know, why not, am I right? And then for us, I'll give me a secondary weapon. Buy a shotgun.
What's the point in getting two guns? Get a melee weapon.
No, I want my shotgun and my pistol.
Have fun moving slowly.
No, I can move quite fast.
Oh yeah, the shotgun.
Yep.
Okay. I genuinely have no idea where to go.
Yeah, me either. I did see a video.
A few moments later. $12:00 midnight. One eternity later.
Just the office? Yeah, never mind. Just the. Wait, I mean.
Yeah.
I guess it could be in the office because
I feel like it has to be, right?
because the Backrooms is kind of just a yellow office building. No,
Yeah, so
I'm not sure if they would hide it too far into the map. Well, I guess we'll go down. I don't
that means we
think
have
they
to.
would have it. Oh yeah, I found it.
This mean.
What the?
Oh my god.
Yeah. Now, do you know the one thing that I've always kind of wondered? Well, that I've
Bro.
wondered ever since the movie came out.
What?
What does it feel like to no clip?
I mean, you're gonna have to ask Kane for that one. Bro, this is sick.
Another one.
Oh.
Oh, where's the prune juice?
How's that sound?
I don't know.
Where are those black particles?
I don't know. I feel like I'm about.
Kinda scared.
Feel like I'm about to get either
more juice.
murdered.
Oh, okay, bad mama. Oh, we have what? Oh, I think it's a sanity bar somewhere.
Oh.
But I mean, that would make sense, right? Next thing you know, the monster just pulls up and starts screaming right in our ears.
Hold on.
Oh, call. Oh, more prune juice.
Do you think it's bad if we have too much prune juice?
Nah.
There's
You
a
can never have
power
enough
strip.
prune juice. Oh,
Oh no, hold on. Hold on.
Plunger.
I kind of. Oh, OGK.
I know you hear that. Oh shit, okay, we got a lot of good stuff. Give me this.
What?
Bro, where the hell is it? There's prune juice everywhere. And shotgun ammo.
Ooh. Yeah, put that in your backpack. Can't find anything though.
Bro, I know you heard that though, like the monster or whatever it sounded like.
Yeah. Hold on, do you think they made their own monster, or do you think it's bacteria?
I would hope it's the bacteria, but I feel like they'd be too scared to get sued of some.
Oh yeah, I think
Oh,
it's
what the hell?
kind of. Yo, Captain Glurk, where are you?
Yeah,
I
we want
think
to see
it-
them Captain Clark clams.
I kind of think I kind of think it's dumb that bacteria.
I'm. Okay.
I think it's,
Thanks.
I
Huh?
think it's.
Oh, thank you. Oh, there's a bunch of loot right here.
I think it's kind of dumb that bacteria was only at the very beginning of the movie, and they didn't even show him.
I mean, I don't think he ever was.
No, he killed
Oh,
he
yeah,
killed
I know
the
what you
one guy who was
Uh-huh.
recording.
I'm pretty sure that wasn't bacteria.
Well, yeah, but he was one of the first people in the
right.
back rooms. He was one of the people who worked there.
Oh,
So
hell
I don't
no.
know. What?
Motel. Oh, I know what level we're on. Wait, does it make for us? Oh, what the heck? You think we die if we go on one of these?
I
Oh,
don't
there's
know.
something down there.
It's just prune juice and a ruby. Nothing special.
Oh. It's starting to get uncomfortable. Ugh.
Oh yeah, there's gonna be a prequel to Yeeps.
Is there?
Yeah, it's coming out at the end of the year.
So they're making a second Eeps game or something?
Yeah, it's gonna be a prequel to it. But do you know the thing that's kinda insane?
A cup? Prune juice? Can we go? No, we cannot.
Do you know something kind of insane though?
What?
Both Yeeps and the new game are somehow both gonna get Yeeps is well. I'm not. I don't know what I'm yapping about. I don't know about the new game, but Yeeps is still gonna get updates at least once a month, probably every other week. Like well no not I don't know. Like still every once in a while, be every other week. I can't talk, you know. Do you remember when Yeeps was? Do you remember when Yeeps was still updated every other week? I mean, it kinda was a little bit. I know.
Jump from window ledge to window. There's a door right here.
I know when the game first came out, but I don't know.
Oh, okay. Some useless door. Yeah.
Like
Damn,
sometime when they added the beach update, boom.
Sir.
A little bit they did it.
What is that sound?
Oh no, it's not this
Oh my
way
God.
though.
What the fuck?
What? What?
Bro, how did you not
Crap.
see that?
You kidding me?
Yo, I'm starting to lose my sanity. Oh no, I just found 4 rooms.
Yeah, you need to be drinking prune juice. That's why you saw something.
Yeah, I'm starting to see. Oh my God, everything's starting to sharpen. I need prune juice.
So if we don't drink prune juice, we die.
We probably start losing. Oh my God.
I mean, I know.
Yeah, I'm blowing it.
Come down here.
Where are you?
And no, what I meant down here. This prune juice. What I was saying was, what? So do you think the monster shows up when you lose your sanity?
Probably. Us. No. Okay. Don't you? And this is super cool. I mean, okay, my sanity's good.
Well, how many levels do you think the like we beat level 0? I don't know.
Why does
what
this one have like
is.
a red light?
Wait,
Bro, I feel like there has to be a way out of this, right? Oh, right there. Oh, what?
yeah? No crap. It's somewhere up there.
Yeah, most definitely, right?
Wait, hold on. Here. Come back.
What?
Hold on, I messed it up, but we can just do that. We don't have to go all the way back up.
Did it first try. Oh, look at this one over here.
Wait, hold on. I might have found it. I might have found the exit.
Huh?
So I might have found the exit.
Well, yeah. I have a bad feeling about this. Is it just me? Oh shit. Oh.
No. Well, oh. I know where we are. Never mind. Wait, here.
Oh, right here.
You, I don't know. I was about to say you're not making that, but you obviously are. Crap.
Oh yeah, I'm not sure about that one. What about you? Did you make it? You want
we
me to
can
go
make that.
or that?
No, we can make that. It's quite weak. crap. It is
Oh,
indeed
shit.
not light work.
I just fell.
No, crap.
Yeah,
I'm-
it's kind of that's.
Hold on, I'm gonna start holding my crowbar with my right hand.
Oh,
Yeah, it's way easier now.
I fell down.
Oh. Man, you suck at this game. I'm starting to go insane.
Yeah, me too. I feel like I can start seeing the stuff sharpening up.
Yo, I definitely can.
Oh wait, there's a light with this one. Oh, death. I don't believe you.
Okay, I'm starting to hear things.
Okay, maybe you should have gone in. My bad.
No, it's fine.
Wait,
is that-
one?
Oh! I just got jump scared. What, is that tomato soup? No.
Why was that a thing?
No, I thought I saw tomato soup, but it was a whoopee cushion on prune juice.
Oh. Why is this my lights? I'm kind of like I can't. There's no way this is just it, right? Maybe there's something inside the water.
Yeah,
At
we
least the
can
water
go
isn't pitch
down.
black.
It might just be tripping, or it might be the water, but I think everything's getting a little sharper.
Yeah, it is.
Already? But we lasted a while before without prune juice. So do you think after a certain amount of time we need to drink multiple things of it?
Oh no, I think you're just tripping. My bad. It... I know.
To be honest, I'm not sure if it's a good thing or a bad thing that it takes forever for you to start going insane.
Probably a good thing, right?
Yeah, but I mean, after a while, that can also make it kind of get boring. Okay, let's check these ones again. No. Realistically, not. Yeah.
You think it might be in one of the windows?
Oh no. It's not in that. Okay, let's split up. Crap. We should go insane.
I think my shit's starting to sharpen.
No, let's go insane.
Okay.
I want to see what will happen.
Oh shit, I found a different hole.
What do you mean by that? Does it have a goal?
Goal
Does.
down here.
Yeah, my game's definitely sharpening.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's go insane to see what happens.
Okay. But as soon as I start tripping, I'm gonna shoot the monster, bro. It's on sight. It's on sight.
Yeah, I'm starting to hear things.
I am too. My game's starting to sharpen.
Yeah, do you know what I'm hearing?
What?
I'm hearing people say subscribe to Weave and Freddy and unsubscribe to Trash Edits.
Damn. Fuck that guy.
That's you.
Unsubscribe to him, subscribe to me. What the hell?
Oh,
Yo. It was like right there.
yo, sorry, but you have a bug on you. Yo, turn
No.
around. You have
No,
a
I
bug
don't.
on you. Oh,
Owie.
yo, get back. Some guy just told me to kill myself.
Huh?
I said, I'm being dead serious. Some guy just told me to kill myself.
Okay. I'll tell you what,
Wait,
Ammo Company can actually make some scary stuff, okay?
oh, wait, can we actually kill that thing?
It'd be crazy if, like, we went fully crazy and he, like...
Oh no, you just said something else, but all I could understand was forever.
You think we could go back?
Probably. Yo, let's see if it's something different in level 0.
Oh, no. Oh, okay, yeah, this is great side street.
This is
Everything's
way
kind of
trippier.
Oh, wait, what's up? Oh, print juice.
Why would you try drinking it? Wait, did you drink it?
I didn't.
Okay, good. Oh, my bad, there's a bug on you. I hear something in there, but it sounds like a normal monster. Oh!
What the
We
hell?
have to be careful so we don't shoot each other. What's going there? Let's slowly work our way back. Oh!
Okay.
No, it's on site. It's on site at this point.
It's on site. Quit talking, or I'll kill you. I'll blow shit smooth off.
I couldn't understand what he said. I think he told me to kill myself again. I just dropped my gun. What?
Now, there is prune juice, but, like, we don't want that.
Yeah.
We don't
No,
want
I'm
that nasty
allergic.
prune juice.
I'm allergic.
Yeah, me too. Antonio, why the hell are you playing the VR right whenever I'm playing it?
Who?
Bro. He's saying stuff to me.
Hey, yo.
Oh, we made it back.
Yo, hey, yo.
But I don't think we can get out.
It's not letting me shoot him. No, did you hear what I said?
What?
I said, hey, yo. No, I might just be tripping, but I swear he said I have a foot fetish. Like, bro, what's this guy on about?
Bro, I think you're just tripping.
Nah, the Animal Company monsters are getting freaky. Bro, Rooster
Okay.
Games, what are you adding to Animal Company?
Okay, he's actually attacking me now.
He wasn't before?
No, he was, but like, it wasn't as
No,
free.
whenever I try shooting him, either nothing happens or I drop my gun. And you dropped yours.
No, I
Oh, wait, they was...
Oh, yeah, it's 'cause
Yeah.
Oh, wait, I still have ammo in my bag. For my pistol. I get it.
Am I healing? Oh.
Jeremiah,
What?
this is our only way.
No. I'll revive you.
Okay.
Bro.
I thought I was gonna die with it. Well, damn, now.
What, so you were just planning to commit suicide and take me out with you?
Yep.
Wait, hold on. That can actually kind of help, because I'm not going insane anymore.
I am either. Where's the...
Oh, you were still one shot.
I should probably eat.
my food? I have McDonald's, it's probably gonna get cold.
Okay.
Well, I don't think there's anything. I think that was it.
Yeah, hold on. I want to see. I want to see if we can leave.
Okay.
Yeah, I don't think we can.
Okay, so we can't. Once you go in, you can't go back. All right.
One way.
I'm sorry.
Nothing even happened. Wait, we'll just shoot each other at the same time.
Oh, you have ammo for that? Okay, ready? 3,
3, 2,
2,
1.
1.
Okay, respawn.
Okay, leaders. This was the Animal Company, autism update.
Yep. Personally, I think that was pretty fun. I hope that they add more levels to it soon. If they do. I'm gonna go eat my food. Have a good day, Jeremiah.